Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your Facebook Marketplace access has been denied, that can happen for a bunch of reasons, and here are some of those steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix it. So for that, we can access our Facebook application first, and once we access it, look out for the menu at the top, and within there, look out for the logout option in the select, and then just go and select it, and re-log in into your account. Sometimes doing just so should refresh your account permissions. Also, clear your cache and app data. So, hold the Facebook application for that and go to the info section at the top and select it. And within there, you can just go over and scroll down and look out for the storage section and tap on it. And within there, look out for the clear cache option and clear the cache. Also, clear the app data if necessary. Also, switch to your Facebook language. So, tap on Facebook. Sometimes you might need to check your Facebook language settings. So, look out for the menu and select it. And within menu, you can just go over and look out for the settings and privacy and drop it down and select the option of settings from here. Once you select the settings option, you can just go over and scroll down and look out for the language and reason section and tap on it. And within here, you can try switching between your more common language, for example, English, to see if the marketplace appears. And also update or reinstall the Facebook application. So you can close this up and go to Play Store for that and search for Facebook here. So search for Facebook. And once you find Facebook, what you need to do is, if there is any kind of update available, you need to update the Facebook application to the latest version available. And that should probably fix the issue. If you can't do so, you can request a review or appeal. So within settings, you can go over to Facebook, and go to the settings. So go over and look out for the menu and select it. And within there, just go over and look out for the settings or help and support and tap on it. And select the option of report a problem. And within there, explain that you can just go and tap on this continue. And then explain that you have lost access to your marketplace. You can just go and create a report. And that should probably do so. Facebook should review your information. You can just go over and follow up the process. And that's it. Or you can try using a different device or browser and see if that bypasses it. So that's it, everybody. You can follow this process for that. Those are the solutions you can follow up to fix that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.